We're actually running quite above average.
Is it really?
Morning.
Oh, yeah, it feels nice.
It feels a lot better. And
typical.
There's less wind, at least, too. That always helps. A lot of clouds in place overnight. We're still a ways away from that sunrise happening just before 7 a.m. this morning. But you can see from the Preserve Club camera, a lot of clouds in place early this morning. When we got clouds overnight, kind of acts as a blanket and keeps whatever temperatures we had yesterday stuck in place. So we're waking up this morning in the low 30s in most locations. And typically this time of year, our morning low should be around 22 degrees. Now, we were obviously way below that the last few mornings with temperatures down below zero the past few mornings in many spots. So today, a nice change of pace with those warmer morning temperatures, and we're going to be warming in the coming days. Average high is 38 degrees. Today, we should make it into the low to even mid 40s, and tomorrow will be in the mid to even upper 40s. Also, we eliminate the wind factor. We're looking at calm winds in most locations this morning where you are seeing a breeze only coming in 2, 3, 4 miles per hour. So that eliminates the wind chill factor, because yesterday we still had wind chills down to the single digits. This morning, we feel like the actual temperatures in the low 30s. Now, what we're looking at again is a lot of clouds in place outside this morning. We are going to see overcast conditions today. You may be lucky and get a few pops of sun here and there, but all in all, expect a mostly cloudy day with those temperatures making it into the low to mid 40s. Now, we're going to be talking about this approaching cold front that you can still see well off to our west. This is going to have a big impact on our weather here in southern New England in the coming days. Ahead of the front, again, a lot of clouds, and we're warming up. I can't rule out a little sprinkle this afternoon and this evening. All in all, though, we're looking at just dry conditions today for the majority of the day and the majority of the area. Overnight stays mostly cloudy. Temperatures tomorrow morning will be in the mid to upper 30s to start the day, closer to the average high. We're still ahead of the front for most of the day tomorrow, so we're looking at rain moving into the area with those temperatures in the 40s range. Especially into the afternoon, you'll start to see some steadier showers coming down, and you really see the precipitation becoming more widespread through the later afternoon and overnight. Now, Friday is one of those days where the warmest temperature of the day is going to happen first thing in the morning around midnight. And from there, the cold front works through and temperatures begin to drop. By early Friday morning, you can see a lot of snow up in northern New England, and you can already see that sleet and mixing taking over for areas just to our north. We're going to continue to watch that sleet and icing line dip into our area of New England and southern New England as we head through the day on Friday. This is going to create some very icy, slick roads out there, especially as those temperatures continue to plummet very quickly, and we may end up with flash freeze conditions where everything that's wet ends up freezing. I want to go through a little explainer with you to talk about the different types of precipitation. When we have rain, you have the precipitation coming out of the cloud and it melts on the way down because it goes into that warm sector. When we talk about freezing rain, we have rain falling on rain, but it hits surfaces that are freezing, and it freezes from there. Now, what we're going to be looking at as we head into the day on Friday and into Friday evening is a sleet ice mixture. So you have the precipitation falling, it kind of melts a little bit, but then refreezes. And that's where you get into the sleet falling and the icy conditions falling. And then we may end as a little bit of snow. And that's after the cold front has come through and it looks like you see cold air just impacting all of the precipitation, and we end with a little bit of snow. I'm expecting very minor accumulations there, a little bit more to our north, and that's why the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for areas to our north. In terms of ice accumulation, it's a minimal amount for most of us, but focusing in on some spots just to our north and our west, there may be some higher totals of sleet, higher totals of ice, and this again may end up creating some very treacherous conditions as we head through the day on Friday and into Friday night, and it only takes a little bit of ice out there to make things incredibly dangerous. So keep that in mind for your driving on Friday, especially through the afternoon and evening. Today, low 40s. It's a mostly cloudy day, a few sprinkles around at times. Tonight, we stay mostly cloudy. It's a bit warmer with temperatures in the mid 30s and calm winds. So again, you eliminate the wind chill. And then tomorrow, we have an overcast day. The morning should start dry, but into the afternoon, rain starts to move in. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s. 7-day forecast shows temperatures in the 40s for today, for tomorrow, with rain moving in tomorrow afternoon, continuing overnight, and then starting the day on Friday with rain. From there, the temperatures continue to drop. We switch over to sleet and ice, eventually ending as some wet snow, and then by Saturday morning, temperatures are in the teens and everything is very icy.
All right.